So trying to eat healthy sometimes is hard, and sometimes we have fruit in our refrigerator that we don't eat fast enough, partly because we're too lazy to prep it. So this is what I did for the kids' lunch, but if you're also trying to eat a healthier thing and try to get your fruits and berries and stuff like that in, I did these little grab bags. So for the kids' lunch, it'll be ready all this week. So this is like strawberries and berries, and then Braxton bought hummus, so we've got the fresh bell peppers from the garden and celery. And then Slade likes carrots. These are actually carrots from my garden that were little tiny ones, and so I peeled them and cleaned them and put that in there with some celery. I might buy some ranch dressing or something. He doesn't particularly like hummus. But if you're trying to lose weight and trying to get your vitamins and nutrients in, this is the best way to do it. That way, when you look in the refrigerator, it's already done, it's already prepped, and you don't have to take a deep breath and think, I don't want to do that right now. So anyway, this is just an idea for today for getting healthy.